Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use the new unique function in Excel. So this unique function is available for 2019 and Office 365 users. Right. Now, in my previous videos, I showed you how to use the filter function and also the sort and sort by functions, right? So in today's video, I will show you the unique function. So this is a syntax of unique function. Array, we have three syntaxes. First is array, second is by column, and third is occurs once. By column and occurs once are optional, so it is up to you. If you want to use it, you can, or you can also leave it. So here is the sample data set which I have, and using this data set, I will uh, use the unique function, figure out the unique values. So this is the criteria I have. So I need to figure out the unique list of departments from this data set, right? So so let us type the unique function. Type is equal to unique, and so in the place of array we need to select the uh, department column, because uh, uh, from this column only we need to figure out the unique values, right? So that is why we need to select this department column. So this will be our array, and press comma, and in place of by column we need to choose the false, because even if you don't choose this by column, Excel will automatically display choose this false as a default option, because here if you see our data set is in vertical structure, right? And all the values are in rows, right? So that is why we need to choose this false as our by column. And third syntax is exactly once. So here again we have true or false. So here also we need to choose false, because we want to get the distinct values. We want to get the unique values from this department, right? So that is why we need to choose false. But if you select the true option, then Excel will only select that department that is only appearing once. So in our case, so here you can see snacks and sports. So these two departments are appearing only once, right? So if you choose true, then only Excel will display these two departments. So, but here we want unique values, so we'll be choosing it as false. Now close the bracket and press enter. So here you can see we got all the unique departments, right? So here you can see we are having multiple entries of all these departments, right? So what did Excel do? Based on our array that we selected here, it picked out all the unique departments here, right? And it displayed the values here, right? So that is how you can use this unique function. So as I said earlier, so the by column and exactly once both are optional. Even if you don't use them, it is not a problem. So if even if I remove this and press enter, you will get the same answer, right? So that is completely optional. Now let us go back to our second criteria. So here we need to find out the unique count. So here we got the unique department values. Now here we need to find out the unique count. So to find out that, we need to use the count a function. With this count a function, we will take this values as our reference here, right? So in the place of value 1, we will take this unique values as our reference. So here you can see there is a hashtag here. So what does this hashtag mean? So that hashtag indicates that whenever you enter any additional value here, automatically that value gets dynamically inserted here as well, right? So hashtag means it is dynamic, and now I'm closing the bracket and pressing enter. So here you can see we got 5 as the unique count, because we have the 5 departments here, right? So now let us say in place of sports, I will type it as toys and press enter. So here you can see here the values got updated and here also the value got updated, which means it is dynamically updating the values, right? Because here, because of the hashtag, the values are getting dynamically updated, right? So that is the use of this count A and this hashtag feature, right? Right. Now let us go back to our to our next criteria. So here again I have a sample data set, and here the criteria is list of department occurring only once. So again this is similar to what we saw here. Again let us use the unique function, and so here again the array will be our department column because we want to figure out the uh, unique values that are appearing only once. So again let us select the array here, and so here you can see we got table div because this is a table, right? So this is not a table but this is a table, right? So that is why you got the table name as table div 4, right? And now comma and enter in place of by column, here we need to again choose it as false, right? Because our data is in vertical structure. Now again press comma, and here we need to select the first option, that is true, because here you can see the criteria is select the list of departments occurring only once. So this will be our option. Press choose the true option, close the bracket and press enter. So here you can see we got snacks. Because why snacks? Because this is the only department that is appearing only once here, right? The rest of the departments are having multiple entries, right? So but snacks is only appearing once. Okay? So that is why Excel has given us this answer, right? Now let us go back to our another criteria. So here we need to find out the unique list of department and then states. So till now we were working out only with one criteria, right? But here we have two criteria. We need to get answer for department and Indian states. So let us again use the same function unique, and in the place of array this time we need to select the entire data set because we want values for department as well as Indian states, right? So we need to select the entire data set here, right? Now again by column we'll be choosing it as false, and exactly once we'll be choosing it false. Press enter. So here you can see, so this values might seem duplicate, but it is actually unique because each department is having unique Indian states, right? So that is how you can use this unique function here as well. Now let us go back to another criteria here. So here we need to figure out the unique departments by column. So in our above example, we figure out the unique list of department using rows, right? So this is vertical structure data, right? But here in this example, we are going to figure out the unique department values by column, that is horizontal data, right? So here if I see all our the data is in horizontal structure, right? So let us see how we can use this unique function here. So here type unique, and now in the place of array, so here we want the department values, right? So here that's why in the place of array we need to select this array column here, right? Right now press comma, and now in the place of by column here we need to choose the true as our option because as you see our data is in horizontal structure, right? It is in columns, right? So that is why you need to choose the option as true. And now again comma, and now exactly once will be our distinct item. So we want unique item, right? So that's why we need to choose false here. Now close the bracket and press enter. So here you can see, so these are the four unique departments which Excel has displayed from this horizontal structured data, right? So that is how you can use this unique option for horizontal structured data as well, right? So this is how we can use the unique function to get the unique values in Excel. So I hope you understood the unique function and how to use the syntax. If you have any questions or queries regarding this unique function, then please drop your questions in the comment section. I will answer them. And if you find this video useful, then please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.